Hello, my name is Shradha Ambre and I am in the final year of PGDM degree at Vivekanand Business School, Mumbai. I got placed through campus as an assistant manager under business banking at AU Small Finance Bank, which is a scheduled commercial bank and a Fortune India 500 company. The PGDM course offered at VBS provides its students with tremendous knowledge about crucial management aspects. The faculty use real live-world examples and cases during lectures, and this connection showed us how the concept learned in classes can be applied while making business decisions. They also encouraged us to participate in various activities such as debates, alumni interaction sessions, student competitions, etc. The institute also organized various seminars like Kalpana, Winlactics, Gupshup with Shikshak that gave us an opportunity to interact with distinguished speakers having rich experience and much needed insights into the corporate world. Apart from learning, the course offers practical approach to the forefront by offering various internships via its summer and management internship program. This gave me 5 months work experience within the course itself. I worked with ICICI Bank as a summer intern through College SIP Drive, and I've also received a great offer from AU Small Finance Bank in my final placement. This has all been possible through the efforts of the institute and their commitment to have their students succeed in life. Thank you, VBS.